it on Mo Willems and his characters, the pigeon, the elephant, and Piggy. I thought you all would enjoy exploring the Mo Willems website. Now remember, he's the author of all these books. So we can head over to mowillems.com. You can see it's pretty animated. It looks pretty fun. Here's our characters, Elephant and Piggy. I don't see the pigeon here. So let's peek at a few of these tabs. The first one I want to show you is the Pigeon Presents tab. We can open this website. You can see this includes links to some books, some videos. It looks pretty fun. Here's our pigeon trying to drive that bus again. We can head back to the Mo Willems tab and let's peek at the Mo's blog. So this is Mo Willems Doodles. This is the author's personal blog. You can see he posts some updates on his own life. One fun fact I didn't know is that he's the resident artist at the Kennedy Center right now. All right, we can head back to our Mo Willems tab, and you remember the pigeon from the pigeon books, right? Did you know that the pigeon has his own Twitter page? Looks like he has some pretty fun tweets to share. All right, let's head back to Mo Willems. That was a pretty fun tour of the Mo Willems website. Feel free to poke around. There's tons of games, tons of links, and tons of new books by our author. Enjoy it.